Hey guys, it's Lacey and I'm back with a tiny makeup tutorial on my Animal Crossing character. I'm obsessed with this game so much, so I just decided to film a makeup look and I hope you enjoy it. First things first, we're gonna put on foundation. This is a Fenty foundation in 385. I don't think I memorized the rest of my products, so you're just gonna watch me blend in this foundation. And the next thing we're gonna move into is concealer, but we're not gonna apply a lot. It's gonna be a very light layer. Then we're gonna set that with some setting powder. And then we're going to lightly bronze our face. We're gonna draw on our eyebrows. We're gonna do our very best with our eyebrows because, you know, they're never gonna look the same the next time we draw them on. So we always have to put our best foot forward. Then we're gonna move into our eyes. I tried to stick with just pinks since my Animal Crossing character has pink eyelids, but it shows that she's sleepy. So we're just gonna do our best and try to copy that while adding a little bit of flair. And by a little flair, I don't mean a lot or really much any flair. I'm gonna go in and mix two. Be a little bit unsure, but do it anyway. Make sure we look good. Blend out even more. Trying our very best. And then we're going in with a pinker shade. And we're gonna focus that on the whole lid again. Add a little bit of shimmer in there. Shake things up. Then we're gonna go in with this eyeshadow I got from Walgreens. It's called Eco Soul. It's a Korean brand. I'm gonna try putting that on my lower lash, but you're gonna see that I'm not gonna be satisfied with how it's applying, and that's because it's actually better to apply with your fingers instead of a brush. So I'm gonna go into a different color of the same brand and try to do the same thing again. But ultimately, your girl is gonna be unsatisfied. See that look? Yep. I was like, what the heck is going on? Now we're just gonna go into the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and we're gonna go in with that sparkly color right there because I know she won't fail. And I'm gonna be doing the same thing I was trying to do with the other eyeshadow from earlier. And then we're gonna try to use some eyeliner, and you're gonna see on my face that I'm very nervous and having second guesses, but I'm gonna try doing it anyway. And then I'm gonna look, and then I'm gonna be like, what the heck? And then I'm gonna just smudge it all out because I'm nervous and I just don't want to screw up this look. Shaking my head, doing our best to fix our mistakes. That's what you do with life, you know. And then I'm just gonna put some mascara on after the whole shenanigans with the eyeliner. Next, we're gonna go in with some blush. And we're gonna add that to our nose and our cheeks. And we're gonna lightly build this up instead of putting on too much and regretting it later. Look for a little bit more, and then, you know what? Let's add some more, you know? It's not gonna hurt. Then we're gonna go in with some highlighter. Put it on our nose. Put it on top of our lip. In the bottom of our lip. And then we're done. Wow, so easy. But I just felt inspired. That's why I created this look. Hope you enjoy it. If you play Animal Crossing or Pocket Camp, please let me know. We can be best friends. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.